How to add ChatGPT search to Google Chrome. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to add ChatGPT search to your Google Chrome web browser. This makes it super easy to access ChatGPT for quick answers while browsing, so let's get started. First, open Google Chrome and go to Settings menu. You can do this by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner and selecting Settings from the drop-down. In the Settings menu, look for the search engine on the left sidebar and click on it. Then select Manage Search Engines and Site Search to view and customize your search options. Scroll down to the Site Search section and click on Add. In the pop-up that appears, you'll be able to set up a custom search. For the search engine name, enter ChatGPT. For the shortcut, choose a shortcut like GPT for easy access. And for the URL, copy and paste this URL, chat.openai.com/chat $query equals %s. Click Add once you've filled everything out. Now open a new tab and type your chosen shortcut like GPT, followed by the tab key and then type your query. Press enter and it will open ChatGPT with your query ready to go. And that's it. You've successfully added ChatGPT as a search option in Chrome. So if this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.